This isn't bad for an afternoon, eh?
Yeah, this is the place we checked out. I plopped it on the map. I think this is where I got the nail in my sidewall.
Oh no.
I parked right here.
We're gonna have to.
Well,
wood's not as plentiful as it used to be.
yeah, I was actually gonna say it's like we gotta stop for some firewood, but
I didn't see any. I was also thinking that
there was a pile there that I was looking at, but I think there's quite a bit of wood. We might have to just trek down a little bit.
Oh, you're here, maybe?
Yeah. I brought a little elevated fire pit, so like when we're done, I can just walk it down and just put it out and see who's dumping water on it. And we got
I mean, and then I'm gonna split up some of this. We'll grab my.
I'm going to bring a pair of gloves.
I got them. You want some?
Yeah, I'm gonna round up some wood that I think is dry or relatively dry.
So, how are you feeling? Tomorrow. Skills.
I'll wipe out. Well, if I wipe out here and I break something, Lena, you'll get your driving lesson.
It's an easy drive out if
Yeah,
need be.
it's not a whipsaw.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. Let me go.
Huh?
So I just thought about that. Let me go down there.
We can make some
I'm
kindling.
just kidding.
Oh. I've been wanting to pick up a set of chairs from Amazon. It's those director chairs that fold down like nice and
Small.
I like those.
But,
Like what Bobby has.
yeah.
Kind
Well,
of.
they're pretty big. One of the pictures, one of the ones I got confidence in because they got a large person sitting in it.
Yeah.
But $220 for the two chairs. I'm like, next year. I'm like,
It's a bit rich.
yeah, because actually, Walter, how much did you guys have to pay for the a new tire?
500.
Yeah, mine was $429 after like everything.
Yeah, mine was 587 after everything. Or sorry, 487 after everything. $500.
And you've only had those tires what, a month?
Yeah, I think I had 6,000 kilometers on it. I still got the other one though.
Yeah, the guys looked at it and they said this is so bad because we can't even make it your spare.
They're so I've got just that cut. You saw that cut.
Yeah.
Overland Expo 2023. Some guy's selling a sidewall repair kit, and I want to look into it. I saw it. I gotta watch the video again, but I meant to research it, but I haven't researched it. But they said this thing had a full slice and got them out of wherever they were, somewhere in Utah.
Huh.
So I was like, if that's good to have, I'll put that on my full size, then that'll be my spare, right?
Yeah.
And then I've got a brand new KO2 underneath, but it's smaller. Wow.
There, she's a crack one.
There you go.
Are these dry?
Oh, they're dry.
Nice.
This will probably just go right on.
The chopping block is
Rotten, but this is dry as shit.
everything over there was wet, but I went looking, and there's no, what are they called, bullets?
Pearls.
A single one. If there's any on this side. I don't know where they would go. Oh, watch out for the glass.
People burn it.
Really? That's a shame.
It is. But it's the truth. Oh,
That's probably a good start.
with that, yeah. Really good job, like policing it basically, putting up barriers during certain runs and everything else.
Okay.
So it's, yeah, they've done it, which is, yeah, they were the ones that did that. But I think, just like,
Because it's got like Canada Department of Fisheries signs up now, so it's
so they're the
Water's like perfect.
what do you call it?
Stewardship
Representatives,
Tell
stewards,
Rock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess
You got the
best way.
drone up just a little while ago.
Oh, I bet it looks so nice over here.
Well, we're sort of waiting for it to. I won't put my drone up in the rain just because it's got the open tops to it. I don't know why DJI does that. But I think they have at least a cover so if the raindrop goes on it, but whatever. I'm just paranoid as normal.
Yeah, I would be too. Oh, the little doggies. They're cute little ones over there.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
I didn't. I heard them bark, but I didn't.
Little
Yeah.
koala and little crocodile.
She's always got the dog radar on there.
Yeah.
She can sense it.
Always over the dog.
Even last time we met up with you guys, like, as soon as there was a dog there,
Oh, Doug.
Yeah.
Crazy ass Doug.
highlight of the trip. That
Doug
point.
was so funny on the camping trip too. Doug was just a mess.
Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching our video. We decided today just to get out, find somewhere nice to have a fire, have some friends, and hang out. Some laughs, good times,
They looked at them before.
and what a beautiful spot to do it in.
What did you do? One
So
camper.
then when we did that, so they're squeaky as shit.
If you're here tuning in, we hope you hit that subscribe button down below. Give us a like, shoot us a comment.
Yeah.
Bring them in and
We hope you enjoy our videos, and until next time, get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments. Thank you so much for watching.
That and rock sliders. Those are the two things I really want.
Actually, and the wheels and tires. Did everyone have a good day today? I thought it was pretty wicked.
Oh yeah, it was awesome. It always is. It was lots of fun, like going to wild waves.
Yeah, just saw that. Poor thing.
Saw the leaf spring there dangling on the ground.
Can you imagine? Like, that would be the shittiest thing this far out.
Yeah, I know that would suck.
I gotta say, this is one of the coolest detours we've ever done, to be honest.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
It's raining hard now.
Yeah.
That's cool. This is super cool.
Very cool.
Sleepy Hollow type shit.
Probably.
Headless Horseman or the Sam Squanch.
Good thing it wasn't yesterday, Friday the 13th.
Right? Literally, we're in like a tunnel of trees.
Yep.
There's no way this will show up on
Probably not, but you never know.
camera. Maybe. Yeah. Hope it
It's
does.
so cool driving through here at night with the trees hanging over.
That's what we were just literally talking about, Joanna. Or like, this is like Headless Horseman type shit.
Sleepy Hollow stuff.
100%.
He's turning right again. Oh no. It's like dirt piles.
And it should be a left-hand turn coming up, guys.
Yeah.
Yep, I think that's it right there.